What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play That Summer by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double leprechaun punch you in your lucky charms. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the 3rd fret. If you need a link to a free capo, you can... Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the 3rd fret. If you need a capo, I have a link to a free one in the video description, as well as a link to a free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. The first chord we're going to need is going to be an F major 7. You're going to use your thumb to press down on the 1st fret of the low E. Your ring finger is going to press on the 3rd fret of the A string, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And you're going to let the high E ring open. Now, if that's a little too tough for you, you can just mute the low E and do the same thing. Just play from the A string up. Or you can even just put your ring finger where your pinky is and just play those 4 strings. So those are more beginner-friendly ways of playing the F major 7. After that, you need C. Ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, middle finger 2nd fret on the D, index finger 1st fret on the B string. And then we're going to need this version of a G. Move your ring finger to the 3rd fret of the low E, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and keep your index finger on the 1st fret of the B. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So it's the same throughout all 3 chords. You're just playing the G twice as long. So again, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.